Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Microsoft Teams. We click on settings here. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Microsoft Teams and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.